you know what? I've decided.
Oh, I just goosed her.
I'm going to decapitate John. He doesn't know it. He thinks he's getting a shave, but you know what? I'm just gonna slit his throat. God damn it. All right, dear. Are you ready to have your beard shaved?
Yes, dear. Only because for you.
Wink, wink, wink.
Only because I'm only doing it for you. I'm only doing it for you, dear, because I know you don't like hairy faces. There's something about it that you don't like. Now, beards are in. Beards, everybody wants everybody wants a big beard. All the women want big bearded dudes.
Negative. No, all the women don't want that.
You want bearded dudes, and you are the only woman that does not want a bearded dude, but that's okay. And you know what? I love you, so I am going to shave this off right now, okay? And what's really happening here is I'm doing it in front of the grotto for New Year's.
Okay, so, John,
Yes,
why do you have your sunglasses on? Is there something wrong with your face that you're trying to hide?
No, it's the sun over there, dear.
Yeah.
It's the big sun. Okay, so look at what's happening. It is gone for New Year's. And I have to do this outside, okay, because Sandy will freak. Like, if I cut my toenails in the boat or at home in the house, I have to go outside into the backyard, okay, to do any of this grooming.
That's goddamn disgusting. Nobody wants that hanging around, especially in their bed when he wants to really do it.
Okay, so
you can keep the mustache. I never said anything about...
it's a little late now.
Yeah. Well, you didn't think properly, obviously.
I didn't think properly?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
It was only just the beard we talked about.
So here we go. Off. Welcome 2024. Clean shaven. Now, I can bring this back. That's not a problem.
No.
And I'm gonna go and have a shower. I'm gonna go have a shower and then really get it down. And then we're going out to party.
There's hair all over your arm.
We're going out to party at the Samuel Yacht Club.
Still all over your arm, dear.
So we're gonna shower, use soap, put on some smelly stuff. I'm gonna get dressed up. How does that?
Much better.
Do you like
look
that?
Younger already.
Do I?
Take your glasses off. Yes, younger already.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
God.
Now,
come on, move along. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real slow. You know we got what you need, baby, so take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey, come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along. Come on. Said babe. I said babe.
and look what I found, a mermaid.
Oh, honey, come and groove along. You gotta feel it. Yeah, you gotta move along. Gotta feel it.
We are going for a walk to one of my favorite beaches. So, yeah, this is a must-do every time I come here, is go see this view that I'm going to be able to share with you.
Feel it, feel you gotta feel it, feel it, feel it, feel you gotta feel it.
This is
Oh,
amazing.
you gotta
So you can see all this, lots of
baby, gotta move along.
Hey, we're sailing along. Really nice here, actually. And have you done your exercises today, Seth?
No. Have you ever done them? No.
I didn't buy them for me.
Yeah, you did.
Dad bods are in.
Not your dad bod. We're sailing behind on the bank side of the islands, so we get a little bit of shelter.
We are going to be going to the outside.
Yeah, we're making our way to Galliot Cut, and then we're going to go out at Galliot Cut.
And then down to Georgetown. Now, and then further. But what happens is, along the outside, there's a few exit. If it gets too rough, there is a few exit points we could take, like Rudder and Lee Stocking and all sorts of other places. So Rat Key, and so we'll continue on our little journey. Sandy did laundry yesterday. How much was the load? $5 a load?
A little under $5. So for four.
Okay,
two
so
washes
how do you figure
and
that?
2 dries, it was $18. You get tokens, so they can kind of charge whatever they want.
Oh, I
it's
see.
not just quarters. They do have quarter machines, but yeah.
So Sandy went ashore and did her thing and read a book, and I stayed in the boat and did a couple of chores on the boat, which is nice to get away from her so she doesn't yell at me while I'm working away. Listen, it is a new year, and just a reminder, guys, that something that I'm interested in is the TSF. For you Canadian people, the TSFA. You're allowed to put your contribution in to the TSFA now because it's a new year, and I highly recommend it. It's a great Canadian ability to not pay tax on that kind of on that money.
Money Matters talk from John Gomes.
No, just be careful with your money. Thanks for following along, guys. We really appreciate it. Makes our I like the comments.
John just likes the attention because I don't give him enough, so that's why.
How do we
he
get?
likes the comments. He just likes the attention.
We hardly
so keep the comments going, so I don't have to pay as much attention to them.
We hardly have any views. Like, people don't even watch our videos. How much attention is that?
You're just not loved enough.
Especially by you.
Correct.
It's a beautiful day for a sail, though, eh, hon?
Yeah, it's gone.
We have about 60 miles to go today. Beautiful. Are we on course, dear?
We have it on autopilot.
Well, that's. You still have to check. No, am I on my course, dear?
You're going over to where your tracks are to get out at Galliot Cut.
Am I?
That's what it seems like.
So
to
that's
me.
good. So I'm on course then.
I guess so.
I don't want to guess.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Coffee on board the Navicula is quite good. Sandy does it in a percolator, is that it?
Yeah, percolator on the stove.
So we like this percolated coffee, and she makes a pot of it. Then she pours it into the thermos, and I like my coffee really hot, burning hot. Sandy, on the other hand, is the exact opposite. Actually, Sandy is the exact opposite of everything in me. Everything, exact opposite.
Pretty much, yeah.
And so she likes hers colder, but she puts the rest in the thermos, and then I'll have a second cup from the thermos. It will still be hot. But these cups keep
Keep it hot.
real hot. I have another one downstairs that'll keep it hot for like 12 hours, right? One thermos. It's sick. It's sick how hot it can keep it for the length of time it can keep it hot.
That one actually went overboard a couple of years ago. You don't have that one.
There's another one here. There's something else here. That other black one or blue or dark blue one.